So good morning students. So today we're going to see about the achieving equality. At we seeing number of what is the number of times this lesson actually. So again we are going to revising because we are revising the lessons. Already we finished the syllabus no. So based on that we are revising the lesson. So what is the name means achieving equality. So for reaching the equality, what are the things we want to do? How it is actually for achieving equality, what are the things we want to do? About that only we're going to see in this lesson. Already seen. Just we're going to see oh, just outer layer of the lesson. Okay, so prejudice is one of the concept we have in the achieving equality. Prejudice means what? Prejudgment. Without enquiring anything, based on certain data alone we are giving the judgment, means that all will be called as a prejudice. The word prejudice refers to the prejudgment, can be based on many things like people's religious beliefs, the color, the skin, the region and the class. So based on the color, based on the skin, based on the place of birth, based on the community, based on the religion, the judgment if you given means that all will be called as a prejudice. Without inquiring anything, we are giving one judgment means that will be called as a prejudice. How based on which they will give the judgment means, for example, based on the religious belief, based on the color, based on the skin, or based on the region, that's only place, based on the cloth they are wearing. So based on these all, if you given the judgment means, that all will be called as a pre-judgment. That should not be happen. So there is no equality. So by seeing the color, by seeing the skin, we are giving the judgment means, so there is no equality. So how the people can get the equality? Without seeing this all, based on the data we want to give the, based on the information which happening, based on that we want to give the judgment. Without seeing that, based on this all if given means, there is no equality. So that thing we want to make. Okay, so because of the prejudice, what are things will be happen means, socialization, it will be spread for in all the places. Conforming behavior, these people will be like this only, like the behaviors will be thought, the thought will become. So these all things will be happen because of prejudice. Economic benefits, authoritarian personality, dominating thing will become because of the prejudice. Okay, ethnocentrism, the people will be segregated based on the group actually. Okay, group closer. So prejudice will be happen means, what may be right or wrong, it's not, it will not be considered. Based on the group only, the judgment will be there. Conflict, so because of these all will be, the problems will become. So socialization, conforming behaviors, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, ethnocentrism, group closure, conflicts. Okay, these all the things it's happening because of the prejudice. Okay, for example, one particular problem it's happening, we are giving the judgment based on the people, based on the region, based on the religion. So the same thing will be follow in the some other problems also in some other places. So it's happening regularly, so that all will become as a socialization. Okay, conforming behaviors, these people will be behave in this manner only, like the thought will come because of the prejudice. Economic benefits based on the people will be get for example, these peoples will be do this kind of work. The based on this we are saying the peoples are segregated. Now only the some of the business was doing by some other people, but still some of the business was doing by some particular people alone. So there also the economic benefit we are getting because of the prejudice. Authoritarian personality, dominating. Okay, certain person will be will not be do that. So based on their caste and thing, they're deciding. So actually based on the caste or based on the religion, based on the color, we should not take the decision. But it's happening because of the prejudice, dominating. Okay, ethnocentrism, group closure. So based because of this, some particular religions all will be become as a group. Certain group of people will not be segregated. Certain peoples will not be segregated based on the color, skin and everything. So because of this, the group will be formed. So this kind of religious peoples all will be in this group. Certain groups of people will be there in the separate group. So like that. So because of these all, conflicts will come. So it's all causes of the prejudice. 2 mark question. Give the causes of prejudice means socialization, conforming behaviors, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, ethnocentrism, group closure, conflicts. And inequality, discrimination, in where all we are having the inequality means, in caste we are getting, Gender we are getting, religious we are getting, socio-economic equality getting, yes we are getting. Caste discrimination, still we have the segregation, discrimination in the religious community. It's happening or not? It's happening. Gender, male female discrimination, it's happening. Still females are still not entering into the some of the department. So that thing we want to happen. If it's happen only, the discrimination will not be there. Religious discrimination, still the peoples are segregating based on the caste also, people are segregating that based on the religious also. Still we are all facing so much of the problem. Social economic, rich poor, that problem are still is happening, means yes, is happening. The poor peoples are still, they are also lacking to get the education, proper education. Rich peoples, they are not getting the education from the government side, they are going with the private. So this because of this, the complete generation will be affecting because without developing. So social economic inequality is happening. So for this all, the remedial measures is there, means yes is there, because if you follow this all, what are this means? The remedial measures for abolishing the inequality and the discrimination, wider access to equality, basic service like a healthcare and education. We want to give you a proper healthcare and a proper education to all the people. And behavior of current gender bias, male female, that behavior should be proper. Okay, we should not discriminate maybe a female or male, whoever may be, we want to treat equally. Make women more visible in a public life and institution to eradicate the gender disparity. So what is that? We want to give more chances to the women to involve in all the process. Then only the gender problem will not, the gender discrimination problem will be reduced. Then be open to learning about their other religions. Okay, the person eager to learn about the other religions means we should not stop them. It is their personal, so they can learn that. Okay, so we want to be open in that. Promoting community dining in the classroom, mat helps students to sit together without any bias of the caste, religion or gender. Especially in school, we should not use any community segregation, especially in the classrooms. That's in the school, based on the religious, based on the community, the segregation should not be there. Socialize with people of all types outside home, effective implementation of law. So socialize, we want to be very social with all other people, especially outside of the home. There we should not see caste, color or religious discrimination, gender discrimination. All should not be happen. Effective implementation, this all want to implement properly means the by the way of law only we can get the solution for this all. So proper law we want to implement. If we implement the proper law, we can get the good solution for this all the problems. Okay, so understand the video, finish your work on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.